Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this bright and colorful nail stamp design. So I'm going to use this white by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White, this yellow also by Sinful Colors called Let's Meet, this blue by Finger Paints called Blue You Bamboo, and this pink by Oily called The Crazy Life. So I'm using this plate by Buitee Collections 02, and I'm going to apply the yellow polish onto this zigzag design. Now I'm not using any stamping polishes or whatnot. I'm just using regular nail polish for this design. I'm just going to apply it onto my white nails that I already painted, of course. Now, once I was done with that, I wanted to do a reverse stamping. So I'm using my Pueen Secret Garden's 01 nail plate to get this pretty flower design. I'm going to do a reverse stamp on this. So I'm going to apply the pink and blue. I just thought that these colors together with the yellow and white nail stamp already would look so good together. This is the first time I ever did this design. So tell me if you liked it. I really did like it. I love the look of it. I just thought it looked really cute with it all together. And then I just firmly placed the reverse stamp design onto my nails to create the look. And like I said, I love the way it came out. And this is my first time doing like a double stamp design. And I'm going to do more of this. And once I was done, I finished it off with a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.